And it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Dito pa kami sa airport. At ayan, ang mga kasama ko. Say hi. Hi, Speedy. Speedy. Ito mga kaganapan dito. Sa Pilipinas pa lang to. Watch out for more pagdating sa South Korea. Good morning, everyone. We are here. Say hi, everyone. Hello. Hello. Dito kami ngayon sa train station. We're in 5-10 minutes daw, parang ano lang. Parang LRT lang to. Hindi, mabilis lang tayo na. So, nakaganyan siya. Dito tayo sa going to the immigration. Right now, live na live. Ronaro. Papasok ng train. So, samahan na kami. Ayan na. Ayan na. Parating na yata. Oh my God. This is it. Everyone. We are here. And now, we're here at the airport. Simulan natin. These are the people from LifeWave. Hi! Say hi! Here, Miss Jane. She will be assisting us. Our group from Team Philippines. Andito po kami lahat. We enjoying everything. Magsisimula pa lang. Nasa Klook. Ayan. Girl, smile. Hey, look.
Girl.
Ay, go girl. Ilaban mo na yan, girl. Pag hindi, itayo mo ang bandila. Ayan, everybody, yan. Ganito po kadami yung mga delegates natin. Say hi, everybody from Team Philippines. Ganito po kadami ang mga kasama natin sa LifeWave. They are from Cebu. Diba? So, imagine, ganito po. And it's all for free! Ganito po ka-generous ng LifeWave. So, we are looking forward na the next time, madouble natin yung ating number. So, samahan nyo kami. Our adventure here in South Korea. This is Jay. Hi. Our tour guide here in South Korea. And we're here. Yeah. Our bus is E1. So, ayan po siya. Pagpasok natin, ayan. So, ayan. So, hello po everybody. Ako po yung tour guide nyo from the Philippines. Ayan. Ayan. Pinipigilan. Hello po. O, may mushroom pa tayo. May mushroom pa tayo. Ayan, tita. Hi everyone. Hello, kaway-kaway. No. Oh, there we go. This is the food. Ooh. First meal of the day here in South Korea. At the Seoul Tower. And this is what we have here right now. Check it out. Ito yung parang version nila sa Paris. Oh my God, my cap. Ito yung version nila sa Paris na mga lock. Love lock. So, pwede kang bumili na ng lock. And then, you clip it till then you wish. So, hawak-hawak ko na yung sombrero ko dahil napakalakas po ng hangin right now. Umaaraw ng konti, but still, napakalamig. So, nakatatlong patong na po ako. Ayan ang aking mga kapatid sa pananampalataya. Mga, grabe, sobrang lamig. And we're going downstairs. Back to back po tayo. Ayan yung mga picturean. So, ayan. Here are the girls. Say hi, everyone.
They're from Ansa.
Hello. Hi.
Kailangan makita yan.
Yes. So, we are at the N Tower here in Seoul, Korea. Ayan. Michelin. Ayan, Michelin siya. Ibig sabihin, high quality. Award-winning ang lugar kung saan tayo kakain. So, yes. So, we are here. Ayan, ang harap ng ating pinuntahan. Chicken soup. Hi! So, Fry, kaya mo yan, Fry. Ayan kita. Ayan. So, this is the place you're going to eat. The Michelin guide. So, every year, they are go. Nakasiyam ng bongga. Hi everyone. Super kawaii. Kawaii.
Hello!
This is being served. This is what we have right now. Bumubula-bula-bula pa sa ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're eating for lunch. Ano pa? Yan ang mga kemot natin. Correct. Document natin ito. Ayan. This is our dinner here. Ayan. Incentive from LifeWave. The king crab. So we're here. This is the place where we are going to have dinner. Ito kaliwanag ang lugar. So, adito na ako. Alright, so we're here. So, ayan. Hi, kawai. Andito kami sa King Crab. Please, kawai.
Hi!
Kawai. Ito na po, napapalaban po kami nang wala sa panahon. Kawai. Hi! Diba? Na-invite talaga ako hanggang dito. Ayan. Ang mga palaban. Hi! Ang mga palaban. Hi! Nilalaban ng konti. We are here at one of the famous place in South Korea, and we are eating the king crab. So, I don't know how to start. I don't know how to start.
I thought it's open. No, you take this one open already.
Hindi ako marunong kumain. Already.
Yeah, you take this one. You take this one. It's open already. This one easier.
Shanghai crab.
Oh, Shanghai crab. That one different.
Very one. Yeah. Okay.
So, ito na isa sa mga main streets nila here. And busy street. Parang ano na to? Para na siyang Makati. Yun ang dating. So, we're crossing the street. Tatawid na kami. So, we are waiting. Super malamig. And then, going to wait. Diba? So, nakastop po tayo ngayon. Siyempre, wala po tayo sa Pilipinas. So, alam niyo na yung mga tao, masunurin po kami mga Pilipino. So, ayan, binubudol po. Binubudol po ako. Kotong camera yan. So, alam niyo na, pag Pilipino, wala tayo sa Pilipinas, masunurin po tayo. Kasi kung nasa Pilipinas po tayo, siyempre tatakbo tayo, di ba?
Tumawid na kami.
Wala kami pakialam eh. Kaso siyempre, sa South Korea tayo.
Ganon.
Diba? Maghihimas ka ng rehas na bakal na malamig kung dito mo gagawin yun. So for now, maging mabuting pong mamamayan tayo dito sa South Korea. Ayan na. So ilang saglit lang po. Get ready. Takbuhan to. Oh, go smile. Ano na Wu-Tang. Smile everyone. Smile. Oh, diba? Ayan, so kami po ay nagko-cross ng ayan na, papalapit na po kami sa aming official bus. I don't know what is this, pero parang ito ay food nila here. Look. Parang mga pancake. Parang pancake. So, squid game. Sausage rice cake. Ito yung mga traditional nilang food dito. So, yung mga basic food nila. Oh. Lot of street food. So, lumalamig na. Nasa 6 degrees tayo ngayon. And then it feels like it's like 3. So, sobrang lamig. Pati yung kamay ko, grabe, nag-freeze na siya. So, ito yung paggabi na. And finally, I'm here at my room, here at the Mondrian Hotel. in Seoul, Korea. So, room check tayo. Review. So, ano ba to? Okay. Tap it. Ayun, bumukas. Ayun. The room reveal. Ta-da! Oh my God. Oh my God. This is my room. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is my room for this 5-day here in Seoul, Korea. Oh my gosh. So, fresh na fresh, guys. More friendship. Alright. Whew. So, this is the room. Room tour agad tayo. First day pa lang. Here. So, ito yung room. Room check tayo. Alright. Single room. Ang laki ng bed. And, I'm all alone at this bed. Mega Life Vibe. Grabe. So, this is it. Complimentary water. And then, here is the sink. Here is the toiletry room. The toilet. And here is the bath. And I have it by myself. And thank you so much, LifeWave. Oh, I have the slippers here. And then there. Hi, thank you talaga. Oh. Alright. So, this is it. Kalarating ko lang. After a day of event, this is it. So, check natin ang ating bintana. Ano ba meron dito? Oh my God. I have a view. I see. That's nice. View of the city. Alright. So, this is my view. Amazing. Grabe talaga si LifeWave.